A multiplication word problem is a story problem where you're trying to find the total number of things in equal groups. That means every group has the same amount, and you want to know how many there are altogether. Let's sink in. For example, each dog has 3 bones. If there are 2 dogs, how many bones do they have altogether? To help you visualize it, here are the 2 dogs. And the question says, each one has 3 bones. Because the question asks for the total, that means we have to put the bones together. So, 2 dogs times 3 bones, which equals 6 bones altogether. Imagine, there are 3 cars, and each car has 4 wheels. How many wheels are there altogether? Now, to know what to do, we look at 2 important words. The word each tells us that every car has the same amount, which is 4 wheels. The word altogether means we need to find the total number of wheels for all the cars. That means we have 3 groups of 4. We could add 4 plus 4 plus 4, which makes 12. But instead of adding the same number again and again, we can use multiplication to find the answer faster. Since we are doing a multiplication problem, we multiply 4 times 3, which equals 12. So, we find that there are 12 wheels altogether. All right, there are 4 baskets, and each basket has 7 apples. How many apples are there altogether? Since the word each and altogether are here, we know what to do. We multiply 7 times 4, which equals 28. So, there are 28 apples altogether. But still, if you find addition helpful, you can add 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7, and you will still get 28. Whenever you see equal groups and the words each and altogether, you know that multiplication is a faster way to find the total. Let's try one more. There are 3 rows of apples, and each row has 5 apples. How many apples are there altogether? As you can see, using visuals help us a lot. Rows of tells us there are groups. Each row is one group. Each tells us every row has the same number of apples, which is 5. Altogether tells us we need the total number of apples. Since we are doing a multiplication problem, we multiply 5 times 3, which equals 15. So, there are 15 apples altogether. But you can add 5 plus 5 plus 5 also, and you will still get 15. You've already seen that same word each appear in our division problems video. So it might look like it's being used for 2 things, both division and multiplication, which can feel a bit confusing at first. Well, that's because multiplication and division are really close friends. They kind of work in opposite directions. In multiplication, we use each when we're giving or repeating the same amount, like giving 3 bones to each dog. But in division, we use each when we're sharing something, like sharing 6 bones with 2 dogs so that each dog gets 3. So even though the word each shows up in both, the real operation depends on how the question is written. And that's multiplication word problems. Remember, multiplication is just repeated addition, and clue words like each, groups of, rows, times, and every tell you when to multiply. So keep practicing, and most importantly, stay curious.